Samantala, naging matagumpay naman ang pagdaraos ng Rev Up 2014 Motor Show sa UP Diliman nitong weekend. At ang pumukaw ng atensyon ng mga car at motor enthusiasts na dumalo sa one-day event ay ang isang 1950 edition ng Porsche 550 Spider. Narito ang report ni Crisabel De Leon.
1950 Porsche 550 Spider na ito ang nahirang na Rev Up 2014 Best of Show sa UP Diliman, Quezon City nitong weekend. Nilahukan ng mahigit 80 cars and motors, naging matagumpay ang pagdaraos ng 19th edition ng student organization Gears and Pinions Organized Motor Show.
This isn't actually the 19th year of Diliman. This actually was a biannual event and only recently did it become an annual event. So this year we celebrate Rev Up with new things such as motorcycle displays and with the same old car show and of course our miniature car display and as well as our RC drifters.
So, maaga yung judging on time, tapos very strict sa participants kasi yung mga nag-pre-register lang yung pwede sa major awards eh. Tapos yung mga walk-in sa minor lang.
Umaasa rin ng mga organizers na patuloy pang mag-e-expand ang Rev Up na tunay na nagpapaangat ng kalidad ng kompetisyon sa motorsports.
Kasi this year we introduced a small event lang eh, parang motorcycle show. I hope na we can expand that. Kasi Diliman Motor Show, we're a motor show, we're not a car show eh. So I hope we can explore on that. So not only like huge cars or like small cars, we could also introduce like different machines and that includes motorcycles.
Daang-daang car at motor enthusiasts mula sa iba't ibang rehiyon ng bansa ang dumalo sa one-day event. Para sa Good Morning Boss, Crisabel De Leon, PTV Sports.
At yan po ang mga tampok na balitang sports ngayong umaga. Ako po si Hazel Ann Salubon para sa Good Morning Boss. Balik sa inyo, Carla and Jules.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Hazel Salubon.